Hi, everybody. For today's Tech Share tip, I've got something special for all of the Mac users that are out there. I don't know what it is, but every now and then I get emails like, hey, do you have any tips for the Macintosh or the iMac or my MacBook Pro laptop? And if you have a relatively new Mac, I think you're going to like this tip today. It's called Stacks, and I'm going to show you how you can work with it. Again, this is only for Mac users, so if you have a Mac at home, or if you got a Mac recently that you use for education, this one might prove helpful. So let's get right to it. You can see that on my desktop, I've just got stuff cluttered all over the screen. And this is one of the problems that all of us have, is that we're trying to keep our digital lives organized. And Apple has now tried to assist us with this by creating what's called stacks. So if you're on your desktop, what you can do is go anywhere there and just simply right click, or you can hold down the control key and click. And you can see that when you do that, it will say, hey, would you like to use stacks? And the minute you say use stacks, boom, everything is automatically organized into folders. So all of my screenshots are right here. There they all are. There's a stack, and I can open and close it just like so. And there are other stacks that are available, like I have some spreadsheets that are here, so I can open that up to see the spreadsheets that I have, presentations that I might have, are all here in stacks. So everything that was cluttered on my desktop is right back where it needs to be. Now, some of you will say, uh-oh, now I can't find what was on my desktop. It's too organized. I need it messy again. And guess what? You can do the same thing just in reverse. You can, again, right-click or hold down the control key and click, and you can say, hey, let's just turn the stacks off. Where that little check mark is, that will go away, and everything goes right back to the way it was. Now, if you use stacks and we turn it on again, if you right click, you also have what's called group stacks by. So you can group stuff also by dates, or if you have items that are tagged, they can be grouped that way as well. So this is a nice little feature that Apple has put together in their new operating system. So if you have a newer Mac that's probably, I'd say, in the past 3 to 4 years, and you're running either Mac OS Big Sur, or you're running Mac OS Catalina as an operating system, you should have this stacks feature available to you. So again, if you're a Mac user, I hope you like this tip. We'll try to bring some other Mac tips to you in the future as well, because I get requests for them all the time, that and iPhones as well. So we'll try to bring you some of those. But until next time, take care of yourselves, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.